truth. Truth, it is. Two types of truth, one objective truth, as it is, two subjective truth, as the subject think it is. Objective truth exists beyond any subject's interpretation. Subjective truth exists just on the subject's interpretation. Example, subjective truth, the sky is blue for humans, but also might be of different color to other creatures. Objective truth, sky's color independent of any subject's perceptual interpretation. If color even exists objectively, the objective truth is also called the one, the supreme truth, the truth itself, as it is. So what is the truth that the Earthism philosophy is seeking for? The objective truth, the one, the truth itself, as it is of everything. Can we really know or access the objective truth itself if it lies beyond a subject's interpretation? This is the main challenge that we the Earthists are trying to solve, for if we are limited with our human subjective perceptual interpretation, then how can we access or at least know this objective truth? The nature's eye, the eye that sees and knows everything. The perception of nature itself. In Earthism philosophy we have this term we called the nature's eye, which doesn't really signifies a real eye but rather something that symbolizes nature's perception, for again we the Earthists think that nature is not just the supreme holder of truth but also its creator, so it must have known it thoroughly and absolutely. So for us we think that if we can access this nature's eye, aka nature's perception, then it will allow us to be able to access or at least gain knowledge of the actual objective truth. So how can we access this nature's eye so that we can perceive or at least get knowledge of the objective truth? This is the challenge for us the Earthists on how we will be able to do this, since we are limited with our human subjective perceptions, so we cannot surely use any of our 5 physical senses to access this nature's eye. But we consider 2 possibilities on how we can access or at least get a glimpse of the nature's eye. First is by the use of logic and visualization, thinking and imagining how would nature view that thing we wanted to know the objective truth about. But this one doesn't guarantee that we will be exactly able to simulate inside our heads how nature perceives something, since this can still be subjective to our human reasoning and knowledge. Second is by the use of intuition or feeling, though this could actually connect us closer to nature by shutting down the thinking brain, and just feeling this still doesn't guarantee anything and have more room for failure to access the nature's eye, since this is not based on rules nor reason. So to that question on how we will be able to access the objective truth, that is still something under our continuous effort to search for. Written by Robert.